Hi, welcome along, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to play an absolute classic by the Gallagher brothers. Yes, this is an Oasis song called She's Electric, and if you stick around right to the end, I'll be showing you how to play the guitar solo as well. So, if this is what you're up for, go grab your guitar and I will meet you here in 3, 2, 1. Right, She's Electric sounds something like this. Let me show you how to play the intro. So let's start right at the very beginning. Whack the track on, you'll hear them do this first. So the intro goes. So we've got that hammer on and up pick, and then an F sharp, and then we're straight into the song. So let me show you how to do that first bit. We're going to bridge the 2nd fret, 1st and 2nd string, so the A string and the B string, and we're going to down pick on the B string, and then hammer on between the hammer on to the 4th fret with our 3rd finger. So we're going to first have the 2nd fret on the B string going up to the 4th fret on the B string. So we've got that. Okay, and then once we've done that, we up pick on the E string. Bearing in mind that we are barring the 2 strings, so we've got. So we've got down pick, hammer on, up pick on the E string. Now we've got 4 bars of that. And then what happens is, so it goes. So we've got 4 bars long, obviously. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3. And then that chord before we go to the E is a F sharp. So I'll just show you that. That's an E-based bar chord, because this part of it is derived from the E major shape. So that slides up to the 1st finger on the 2nd fret, and then the remaining fingers are like an E shape, E major shape. So let me show you that up to the camera so you can see. Now that's an important shape for this song, because you'll be doing that in a few different places. Okay, so we've got the bit that goes for 4 bars, then F sharp, and then into the song. So here we go. So we've got, here's the chords. It's 4 chords in rotation for most of this song. So we've got E, A flat, which is that chord we done, the F sharp chord. We're going to slide that up to the 4th fret, which is going to give us our A flat. Then we're going to bring our fingers down, which gives us a D flat minor. Let me show you that up to the camera. D flat minor. Okay, and then you've got a choice. The next chord is A. Now what I do, I go down for an open A down here. If you're there, you can slide up 1 place, bring your fingers back up again into the E based bar chord shape, and do an A there. I do it down there. I'll tell you for why. Because the travel from this A, I've got to come all the way down to E anyway to start the rotation again. So I'd rather come up from that A up to that E. So I got like that, see? If you was to do this A, which you can do, fine, that's still fine. You just got to come all the way down from there to the E, up to you. Right, so that's our chord. Let's get some strumming pattern involved now. So we're going to go down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Let's mute the strings so we're getting that kind of a sound, and we'll go through the strum pattern. We're looking at down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Let's put that together with the chords. So we've got E, A flat, D flat minor, A, E, A flat, D flat, A, E, A flat, D flat, A, and then we got C, D, back to E. Okay, so you know C, C's up here, C, then down to a D, and then back to an E for a whole bar. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a full bar of E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that is the verse. So all the verses do that. The next thing is the bridge, which the bridge is quite straightforward. So the bridge would go A. So we've got A. We got 6 bars of A. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 2 bars of E. Then back to A. 6 bars again. 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 4 bars of E. 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4. F sharp minor for 2 bars. B. And then you go back to the verse. Right, as promised, the guitar solo goes like this. Right, let me show you how that's done. So first off, we're up here on the B string, and with our 3 fingers in a row, starting from frets 5, 6, 7. So our 7th finger is on the B string, 7th fret. We're going to bend up. And while we're up, we're going to bam, 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 right. We're going to bring that down. So we strike it, we strike the B string and send it up. Then we strike it again. And then bring it down on the 2nd strike. Got it? And then we end up on the 1st finger, 5th fret on the 2nd string. Do that for you again. She's electric, yeah? And then we're sliding up from the 7th to the 9th on our 3rd finger, and then 7th fret 1st finger on the E string. So, and then 5, 6, that's 9th fret on the E string. So we got, so we're sliding up from the 7th to the 9th on the B string with our 3rd finger. Then 7th fret E string with our 1st finger. 9th fret E string with our 3rd finger. And then back to the 7th fret again with the 1st finger. So, and then we're going to do that bend thing again. So we're going to strike it and go up and down. And then end up on our 1st finger of the 5th fret B string. Again for you. And then what we're going to do, so you know what, let's go over that bit again. So we've got So we're up. Okay, let me come up to the camera for you. So we'll strike it and send it up, right? So we're the 7th fret of the B string. We're sending all 3 fingers up. Okay, I'll do that for you again. Okay, and then we're going to slide up. So we're sliding up from the 7th to the 9th with our 3rd finger, which makes our 1st finger go on the 7th fret of the E string, 9th fret of the E string, back to the 7th again, and then we're going to do bend up and then down, and then 5th fret of the B string. So all together. Okay, and then we're going to do doubled strings, and we're going to play the 1st and 2nd string, the E string and the B string, as one string like this. Got it? So our 1st finger is going to be on the 7th fret and of the E string, and our 3rd finger is going to be on the 9th fret of the B string, and we're going to go da 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 da. So we're going to literally go down. We're going to go down in half steps. And then when we've done, so we've got there. So if we take it from our 1st finger, so we're going to go 7, 6, 5. And then we're going to go down again one more time with our 1st finger. But in this time, instead of being 3 frets spread, we're going to be next to each other. So we're going to be 4th fret with the 1st finger, and 2nd finger is going to be on the 5th fret. And so they play together. So all together. Okay. And then, so we've got, and then we're going to bend up, so that's bend up with the, again, the position we was doing earlier, with the 3rd finger up on the 7th fret. So bend all the way up and then bend it before you pull it down again. Then 1st finger on the 5th fret of the B string, then back on. So all together it will sound like. And then we're going to go one last bit, little repeat. That's when we bend it up and then end back on the 1st finger of the 5th fret B string. So let's take you through the whole phrase again. So we got. Okay. One more time. So there we have it, She's Electric by the great Oasis. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comments section below, along with any song suggestions you may have for songs you want me to rip to pieces and show you how to play in another video. If you've liked today's video, please can you do me a great favour and like and subscribe for me, as it does help me grow the channel. And a big thank you to those of you who have liked and subscribed already. It means a lot, guys. Thank you so very, very much. Until we meet again, I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.